Hey everybody, this is my first time seeing a Robe Spikie. Very cool LED fixture, it's brand new. Nice tilt encoder, so it finds its way back if you move it with your hands. Nice tensioning system to put just the right amount of tension on the belts. Yeah, they're always pretty well built Robe fixtures. I really love looking at them. They're built on like some sort of bumpers, gives it the ability to wiggle a little, so it has less chance of jamming. This is for the zoom. Pretty cool. It runs on 2 motors plus the shafts, the little clips. This is going to be the driver card for the sensors and the motors, for prism and the effects and the zoom as well. It's in the head. And this is something that I found really cool. I'm going to look inside like this. This little flag. I don't know if you can see, there's also a rotating lens. I'm going to try to touch it like this. So there's a magnet on there also for the sensor that's right here. And on the bottom here, this is the PCB for the LED, the light source. So I'm not... this is prism, index, rotating. And on the side of the arm, the other side, you have the same sensors for the tilt, optical, same driver board. So you see the sensor is plugged right here, so this will be for the pan and tilt motors and sensors. Plus you have the continuous pin, the slip ring, which allows the fixture to rotate without twisting the wires. So that's pretty cool. You have your pan motor underneath with the encoder to count the steps. In the base there's not much besides the display, and there's a DC power supply in there. I don't know how much how voltage it is. Is it 24, 28, 48 volts? I'm not sure, but it's just a DC power supply to power the whole thing. So there you go. This is a Spikie. I won't show you with the light on or anything, because with my cell phone it doesn't really quite come up well on in videos, and you have some pretty cool videos on YouTube already showing pretty much what it can do. So I just wanted to focus a little more on the inside and show you how it was built. So there you go. So that was the inside of the Robe Spikie. So thanks for watching. So I'll see you guys later.